What is going on, guys? Your boy Ozzy here, back with another video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day as always. Today it's Tuesday. What does everyone do on Tuesdays? Yeah, Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday today. I planned on going to this meet, just us, like no premium, no nothing. And we randomly came across the boys on the freeway. It's Fabian with Raul. Where are they? And they're in the V. You see? They're right here next to me. Oh, you can't see, it's so bright, but yep. There we go. They're in the V. You
can't even see Raul.
Bro, you can't see Raul. That thing is loud. It sounds nice. But yeah, we're gonna head to base right now. I don't even know if I said that, but base is hosting the Taco Tuesday. Heading there right now. I'll pick up the video as soon as we get there. Bro, look what we ran into on the freeway on the way to the meet. Sheesh! Nice little hurricane. Damn! Alright, you guys. Finally found parking. I think the meet's on that side, over the fence. But finally found parking. I'll go walk. Oh, did Elon Musk just launch another missile? 600 LT. Damn, it's dark, bro. It is dark as fuck over here. I don't know how I'm gonna record. I really don't know how I'm gonna record. Probably looks like dookie right now, the quality. There we go. Kind of looks better. 600 LT. Looks like we have a little McLaren that showed up. Oh, another 600 LT, bro. What the heck? We have a Lotus Amira here for M2. I want one so bad. M2's next, bro. I have to. A Euro's next. I think this is where the supercars are parked. The higher end cars. What the? I didn't even see them. Here we have Riley's Viper. Twin Turbski Viper. I wonder if you could see him. At the last meet, he didn't have this thing, the hood open. Where are they? Holy crap, that motor is huge, bro. Oh my god, carbon hood. I like how the headlights come off. I like the green accents. The same color as the cover, or the same color on the calipers. Oh, this is a 600 LT that just passed by us right now. And then we have yours truly, Chris's Lamborghini Temerario. Temerario? He just got an exhaust done on this thing. Sheesh. Oh, you can't, you can't even see it. But this thing, bro, this thing just came out.
Chris
and it shoots flames. People. No, that's him. It shoots flames. Dang, a ZR1 is here. C8. Wait, no, is it a 01? No, it looks like a 06. Yeah, I'm tripping. 720S with a crazy body kit. I haven't seen him out in a while. Ferris. Oh, squeaky, squeaky, squeaky brakes. That's how all the supercars are. The carbon ceramics. McLaren, Lambo. Oh, that's the one that we saw on the freeway. Bro, I thought this was a ZR1X because he has that badge right there. I thought I was tripping. Damn. This thing is dirty though. We got the Voodoo McLaren here. It still has all the rally stickers on it. Neuro Rally. All of them. Jeez. What is trusted? We have OC Rolls. OC Rolls in the house. What's up, dude? Camera facing camera. We're back at it. The last time we were together, we got flamed on the internet.
How do you know you're live? What is that, Twitch?
Kick, just kick. Okay, yeah. I forgot. I'm
gonna clip myself then.
Chris only does kick now. Look, we have the man, the myth. Jean jacket.
Yeah,
white.
I couldn't wear all white like a Diddy party, you know what I mean?
What?
Oh, okay. You know?
Oh, okay. Bro, something's over that wall and it just backfired so loud. Everyone jumped. Bro, what are they doing here? Why are they in each the angles? Hey. Wait, yeah. Go. Bro, anything for the angles. Oh, there you go. What is that? Oh, another Huracan pulled up. Huh?
Chris said that they just did this
A while ago, the wrap, because we've seen this car.
So with the fade, right?
Yeah. So we have Forge in the front, and then we have red in the front as well, and then it fades to black. This thing is sick. I've been seeing a lot of fade wraps, and I'm tempted. I'm tempted, guys. I want to do something like that, but I wouldn't know how. Because I've seen some that, well, like this, front and back, and then I've seen some that go down the middle. I don't know. All right, I guess this is like the main area, like where everyone is buying food. There's a bunch of vendors, food, snacks, agua frescas, everything. Oh, mini pancakes on fire right now, low key. Should we guessing? Should we guessing? We have another Lambo that showed up. Ooh, that one has a lot of forged carbon on it. The wing and the diffuser were forged. Nice. We have a GT3 in front of that one. I wanted to record it, but it stinks like 91.
No, that should go.
I don't want to get a headache, bro. I hate the smell of 91. Ooh, we have a nice little Mark IV that showed up. Carbon hood. Red. Hey, sounds nice. What do you guys think of the Mark IV? You guys like the Mark IV? What kind of fans do I have? Not fans, but like watchers, you know? You guys like yeah, viewers, there you go, sorry. Do you guys like JDM, American Muscle, Euro, what else? Just straight supercars or like just straight hypercars? I'm curious. I'm very curious to know what kind of cars you guys like. Ooh, that M4 is nice. I like the color on it.
Oh my god, it is.
Bro, look at the color on this M4, bro. Hey, yo. No.
It's like a Tiffany.
There you go. There you go. Yo. This thing is well taken care of too. Yo, this thing is clean, bro. If I ever get an M4 or a G80, it's gonna be this color. Or an M2. I forgot I said I wanted an M2.
We had a
Look
little
at that.
study session.
Oh, you guys saw that flame?
Video, but I just
Oh.
don't know how when they do that.
Another 3RS just showed up.
We met up at the structure and I taught him how to make a reel.
He said clip this. What is it?
Little flame watch. Oh wait, hold on.
You passed it.
Oh, there.
Ooh. There's just one?
Yeah, I think I got another one. Oh, they're just pictures.
Oh, those look nice. Is he on bags? Pretty sure. I keep hearing him like.
I will screenshot it.
Oh.
Just AI the side marker.
Hey.
on.
Oh wow.
Where's your-
Hey. I need, bro. I need
It's
to
a Bluetooth
buy side markers.
It's still
bro.
pairing.
Well. Look who finally pulled up. I can't believe he finally got it back up and running. Freaking Jose. Chopping. What? Hey, I'm gonna steal that hood.
It's a Z06 conversion, wait.
Woo. Damn.
Got that wing.
That shit's nice.
Oh, those are my tail lights. He made them work.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Bro, I can't wait to cam my car, bro. I'm lagging it so hard. I want to cam it.
Rev it.
That sounds like yours.
You got a carbon diffuser too.
This is a freaking super that pulled out. Look at it. Big old Gary. We're gonna record in my bug. My box.
Hey, give it. Swing that shit. Swing it.
That was crazy. BC boys. Let's go record on Maybach. Cue the music. Cue the Maybach music. Look at this. Bro, look at that shit. I'm about to get smacked by the Maybach. Do you hear it? Bro, this GTR just flew by. It was spinning big ass flames. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! No way!
Oh shit. Shitty.
Had to come back for redemption after almost crashing. Another 3RS. Will he get ratchet? Is he gonna do something or not?
Slide it, slide it.
Nah, he's on a tire. Yeah, he's on a tire. He's on I got hit with hella rocks. Another 600 LT out.
It's Chris today.
Oh shit, Chris is leaving. He actually found room to leave. Nah, people are just getting rowdy. No, oh no, not. He's just waiting for someone. Yeah, there's no cops or nothing here. Can we hear it? Yeah. Can we? Freaking Chris, bro. That shit sounds nice, bro. Ooh, the backfire. Bro, the backfires are loud on that thing. Oh my god, people are going crazy. What the fuck? What the fuck? Voodoo. CO6. Bro, what the? That shit sounds crazy, bro. Oh, I almost lost it. That's the Huracan that's on the freeway. I know it's not. It's another one. Ooh. That's a different one. Win this track box. Huracan's out. This is the one we saw on the freeway. Launch control? Oh. Another McLaren. And the CS is coming as well. And I feel like all those supercars are gone, to be honest. How do I record?
You recording?
Mhm.
All right, you guys, we left the car meet. I'm pretty sure that was the last clip I ever took was at the meet. We left. It got a little rowdy. I don't condone the rowdiness, but I will watch it. I just don't condone it. Don't think like I'm out here promoting that thing either, but we dipped. We got some McDonald's, the new Dirty Dr. Peppers. It's not a sponsored video, but I wish it was. I'm recording off my phone too because the mics don't want to connect to the camera anymore. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, because why not? I go to all the car meets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one.